Catapult Holdings, Inc. reported its financial results for the fiscal year and the third quarter of 2021. The company ended the year with net income of $5.5 million and net cash provided by operations of $27.5 million. The company's biggest accomplishment for the fiscal year was its acquisition of iFrame. This acquisition gave Catapult a market leader in the online video marketing industry. Overall, Catapult's e-commerce platforms grossed $123.7 million in revenue and generated $269.3 million in net income. Catapult is focused on developing innovative financial technology that can help businesses of all sizes achieve their goals. The company's flagship product, Atlas, is a mobile app that helps businesses track their assets, liabilities, and income. This product is currently being used by over 1,000 businesses. Catapult is constantly expanding its product offering to keep up with the latest trends. In the third quarter of 2021, the company released a new product, Atlas Plus, that allows businesses to track their assets, liabilities, and income in one place.